Let's make some healthy animal fries at home.
So let's start by cutting your potatoes into small fry-like slices. Make sure they're nice and thin so they'll be able to cook quickly and end up nice and crisp. Once you are done making your fries, you can soak them into some ice cold water and stir them around. This will get all the starch out of them and they will taste extra crispy. And now you have to pat them dry and scrub the fries. Then when you are done, you can start chopping an onion. When you are done chopping your onion, you can start by caramelizing all of your onions. You can start by making your In-N-Out sauce with half a cup of mayo, 1/4 of a cup of ketchup, and all of your caramelized onions with a little bit of relish with some of the pickle juice. Alright, now you can put some cheese on your fries, put some In-N-Out sauce on, and enjoy!